Hi, today I'm for the Vivo Y35 and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So just first we should open the albums application and then let's, for example, select these 3 photos to hide them. After the selecting, we should tap on the right upper corner to these 3 dots and click to hide. So the device asks to hide these 3 items, so we can view the contacts in album settings in hidden after that. So let's just click here to hide, go back, and here we can see the albums section. Just let's find here the settings, album settings, then click here to hide them, and now we can see here these 3 photos. If you want to unhide them by the same way, just select one or all of the photos, click to this eye icon, and tap to unhide. Now let's go back and we can see them again here in our album section. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.